going. Oh, sorry.
Okay, just squeeze it and pull it off there when you do that. Yeah, that's a nice weld there. Right there is really good. See, that's never going to break off there. This is kind of not so good. So you were doing just right and you were moving too fast. Here you're just going, you know, so you watch it puddle and kind of move out of the puddle and keep moving ahead. Or you can push into the puddle too. You can go either direction. It's usually to start here, kind of go draw back that way.
Let's see you do
It's
more.
good enough. It's not too hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want it to sound like frying eggs, just like it did at the end there.
That bzzz, like that?
Yeah, you don't want to hear pop, 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 pop. You want to hear. Yeah, nice one.
What'd you do? Let's see. Which? Oh.
Make a RB here.
Oh, initials. That sounds better.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kinda.
Did you do it? Let me see.
The B's way bigger than the R.
RB. I'll just, oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Nice job.